What is up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2012 Kawasaki Ninja 600. It is the ZX-6R, and we're going to take a quick walk around this thing so you can see what kind of shape this bad boy is in. We just got this thing in, and it's a pretty sweet little bike. So we're going to start here in the back. See the back tire. Back tire has got lots of tread left on it, a lot of miles left to go on this back tire, nothing to be worried about there. Got the just chain drive, so there's the chain. All that looks to be in good shape, and yeah, I'm gonna keep rolling around. You can see the guy already did the fender eliminator, so that is already done. You got your tail light there with the integrated turn signals and all that, and you see your license plate mount. Around here on the side, you can see that the tail's in pretty good shape. A little white mark there. I'm not really sure what caused that, but you can see that there right at my top of my fingernail. Seat's in good shape. Two-piece seat with passenger seat, rider seat. Here you can see the rear wheel. I like that. I like the black wheel. Looks good. I like the color scheme is good with the black and the red. There you can see the rear brakes in good shape. Got the Muzzy exhaust. Sounds good. Looks good. It does have like the rear slider there. There's your passenger peg, and here's on the side. See that like that carbon fiber look on that cover there. See the frame there. Kawasaki. Got your rider peg, rear brake, all that stuff going on. Motor's in really nice shape. This bike has like 5,000 miles on it. It is good to go, ready to rock and roll. Get some miles on it. Do not miss out on the test drive that Sean does with this bike. It will be up on YouTube, and there will be a few more miles on this bike after Sean does that test drive, so don't miss out on that. This does have the tank pad protector, which is a little worn off there. You can see on the front fairing is all good. There's front turn signals up here to the mirror. And you can see the front wheel there with the big dual rotors up front. Forks looking to be in nice shape. The seals look to be good to go. Sometimes they can be blown out on some of the bikes. The sport bikes, you guys doing wheelies and stuff. That's not the case on this one. There's the front, the headlights, and it does have the blacked out windshield. There's that front fairing and the front fender. All looking good. No scratches or chips or anything like that there. Front tire's good, a lot of life left on that. All kinds of tread. Spin around so you can see from this side. There's that front wheel again from this side. There's the other rotor. There's that other fork toe as well. There's the turn signal. This side has a little bit of damage on it, mainly just like scrapes. So here on this lower fairing, this is scraped up. Here on that metal piece, that's scraped up. So maybe it might have been down just a little bit, like low speed, because there's not any marks anywhere else on it, and everything else matches. There's some light scraping there in the clear coat. You can kind of see that in the reflection of the light. There's the belly pan. There's the rider peg on this side. Shifter, passenger peg, and there's the side of the tank. No scratches there. There is one like black mark, and yep, just come off my finger, never mind. Got that. Going around the back, there's the chain guard. There's a kickstand. Up here to the passenger seat, you can see that there's no rips or tears or anything in that. So yep, that's all in good shape. Same thing with the rider seat. I know these seats are pretty thin. They don't have a whole lot of cushion. There's that 10 color I was talking about. It's worn off. There's the fuel cap. It does have the steering dampener. There's your clutch lever, throttle, brakes, all that. See the gauges there. Mirror. Turn this bad boy on. Like I said, 5,000 miles. Come on, come back into focus. 5,126 miles. Like I said, there will be a few more after Sean does his test drive. I'll fire this thing up for you guys. You guys can hear it run. make sure the turn signals work. No rear signals. Thought there was oh, there they are. Yeah, okay. It is integrated. There's the left side. And there's the right side. Check up front. There's the one up front on the right side. And then there's the one up front on the left side. That is good to go. There's the horn. If I can turn the turn signals off. And you gotta saw that the one light looks like the one light's out. That's actually the high beam. That's good to go. So yeah guys, this is a 2012 Kawasaki Ninja 600. Do not miss out on the test drive that Sean does of this bike. And do not miss out on this bike. This thing is not gonna last long. Thanks so much for watching.